Hey everyone, so today we're going to be looking at my second crypto gauntlet. This is worth 40 points and this has 6 solves. So our prompt says, alright, this time you for sure won't get the flag, and it gives us a bunch of base 64 and it says good luck. So one way I can just easily do this is I can go ahead and use my terminal. So we're going to run echo, and then I'm going to give it this long base 64 string, and then I'm going to pipe this to base 64 decode. And that gives us nothing. It's because of the spaces. But I believe we can just use base 64 decode and it'll decode it even with the spaces. I'm too lazy to I'm too lazy to remove the spaces. I'm sorry. And we can go ahead and decode this. Okay, so it says this is a super secure message. There's totally not a flag at this webpage. So let's go ahead and go to that webpage. Oh yeah, and by the way, I forgot to tell you, how I know this is base 64 is because of this padding, right? So base 64 uses this padding to ensure that the base 64 string is divisible by 4. So like without this padding, it would just end with NTE, and that's not divisible by 4. So that's why you want to add the equal sign. In this case, it is padding. So anyways, we are presented with this webpage. Your first instinct usually should just be to like inspect, just look around, poke at whatever's going on here. We see all this crap. Is there anything like crazy? Okay, we get secret, and we have this very, very long hexadecimal string. I can go ahead and copy that. Let me make sure that copied right. It did. And I'm just going to decode this with Python. So we can run Python 3 in our terminal, and we can just do, let's just make this a equals this. And then we're going to run a dot decode and then specify hex. Oh yeah, I'm just going to do this in Python too. And we can put this as a, and then a dot decode hex. And it gives us our flag. HackMHS rats, you decoded it. So this is just kind of knowing how to decode base 64. If you wanted to, you could remove all of these spaces. Like, let me get rid of this, and here we go. And then how you would do this in Linux, let me go ahead and get rid of this. So you would echo this in your terminal, and then you could pipe it to base 64 and then tack D for decode, and this would print you the same exact thing as this would. And yeah, let me go ahead and get our flag again. Uh-oh, I lost it. Okay, hold on. Let me go ahead and just go to Python again. A equals this, and then a dot decode hex. We get our flag. So let me go ahead and submit this, and there you go.